Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken noodle soup with vegetables. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of chicken, a large onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. Don't forget 8 cups of chicken broth, 1 cup of egg noodles, and fresh herbs like parsley and thyme. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Next, prepare your chicken and vegetables. You can boil or roast the chicken until it's cooked through, then shred it. While the chicken cooks, dice your carrots, celery, and onion. Sauté these vegetables in a large pot with a tablespoon of olive oil for about 5 to 7 minutes until they begin to soften. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic and a teaspoon of dried thyme. Now, it's time to bring everything together. Pour 8 cups of chicken broth into the pot with your sautéed vegetables. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Stir in the shredded chicken. Add 1 cup of egg noodles and cook them directly in the soup for about 7 to 10 minutes or until they are tender to your liking. Finally, for the finishing touches, taste your delicious soup and adjust the salt and pepper to your preference. Stir in 1/4 cup of fresh chopped parsley right before serving to brighten the flavors. Ladle the warm, comforting chicken noodle soup into bowls. It's perfect for a cozy meal, offering both nourishment and a wonderful taste. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.